Hey Vikas, I've been thinking about investing in mutual funds. How do I figure out the risk level?
Great question. Each mutual fund has a different risk level, and understanding that is essential before investing.
Is it just about looking at returns?
Returns are important, but you should also check the fund's risk indicators, like the riskometer, which depicts the risks such as low, low to moderate, moderate, moderately high, high, and very high.
The riskometer? I have never heard of that.
It's a visual tool for rating risk. Also take a look at the fund's beta and standard deviation. Beta shows the sensitivity of the fund towards the market, and standard deviation measures volatility.
So, a higher beta or volatility means higher risk.
Exactly. Also consider your own risk tolerance and investment timeline.
Got it. Thanks, Vikas.
An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.